Hey, welcome back to Carol's Still Action Plan.
What's that?
I'm filming, that's why I'm talking. Mark's in the back answering me. I'm hot as balls because this shirt does not breathe. It's new, but it doesn't breathe, and so I'm very warm. So I'm doing unboxing of all my stuff I got in my mail today. So the first thing we got our Quip toothbrush brush heads. So it's really cool. So Quip sends you every 3 months. They'll send you a new. Is this a spider? I'm hot today. Hey, no, Duncan. Quit jumping up on my shit. Duncan is so nosy. But Duncan, this is not for you. So Quip sends you every 3 months a new brush head that you can. It's not for you. That you can put on your toothbrush. It's battery operated. So they send a battery for each. No. So for both of us, it's $10 every 3 months. So it's a good deal. If you're interested, I've linked down below for Quip. I don't get anything out. I think I get credit towards free refills for myself. So that's about that. Next we have this month's Boxycharm. It's not Dunkin' Charm, it's Boxycharm. Hi, honey. Okay, let's get working on this. Why are you trying to mock my, Duncan wants to say hello. I'm doing work here, Duncan. Okay, you can go now. He might leave, but I love him. Excuse my hair, my first time ever getting overtone hair colors should be here this weekend, so I'll be doing that. So today's month is Au Natural. And we have a, oh, this you can get a facial? Oh, $10 facial at Ulta. That's pretty cool. I might go do that. That came in the box. So the first thing I have is the Xmas Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. This retails for $35. The box was $21, so that's a good deal. And then next we have, what's this? Spa cleansing water. Oh, they're little cleansing spa water cloths to remove your makeup with. These are $17 manufactured resale price. And next we have, this is a, by Duncan, this is a Luxy Gaia 3-piece set. Let's see what we got there. Those are pretty cool. I do like the Luxy brushes. This is foundation, I guess, and this is precision crease, though I probably use this for some of my colored P. Louise bases. And then this is large eye blending. All three I can use, so good for me. Good for Boxycharm. So these manufacture for $30. That's amazing. All right, let's see. And then last two is, here's a Ofra lip color in shade Santorini. I got one from these guys before and it was like puke brown or poop brown, so I gave it away. Here, let's do a little swatchy swatch. That's nice. I'll wear that. And that manufactures for $20. And then the last thing is this Butter London. It's a little eyeshadow palette. That's pretty cute, I guess. That manufacturer, let's see. It's called Butter London Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. Retails for $32. And then, so I'm gonna swatch these on my hand. This shade is Enchantress. And then let's go ahead and go with the next shade is Queen. Oh, these are very soft. That's nice. There's Queen. Next one is Star. That's sort of cool. And the next one is Diva. Another very soft one. And there's Diva. And the next one is Temptress. This one doesn't feel as soft, but I'm not mad at it. There's Temptress. And then the last one is Femme Fatale. There's that blue. I like that this feels like it's wood, but it's probably not, the palette itself. So that's a pretty good box. I'm satisfied with it. Even if I just have to use the mask and the brush. Well, actually I'll probably use everything. I don't know how much wear I'll get out of the eyeshadow palette because it's not, I like my wacky colors. I just can't act my age. So, but cool. Very happy with that. And then my last thing I got in the mail today is this is I already have the Jawbreaker and Mini Jawbreaker palettes, but I wanted to also get the Summer Collection Liquid Lip colors from Jefree Star. I always see on Instagram how everyone's complains like, oh, your stuff's taking a month to get here. My stuff got here pretty quick. So I was prepared for the worst, but you know, I was pleasantly surprised. Let me try to open this mother trucker. All right. What's all this? Oh, that's my packing information. Here's a picture of that already. I have that. I might wear it tomorrow. Pink. Of course, what else is new? I gotta hide all the wrapping stuff from Duncan because he will make a mess out of it. Because he's my baby kitty. So let's take a look. So here's the set of 6 while I'm making a mess. I'm so tired. I didn't sleep that good last night as usual. So let's swatch these shades too. I don't give a crap. So this first one is going to be called Fully Nude. I'm gonna have to go down further on my arm. So this one's Fully Nude, right there. I do like his formula. He's kind of a douche, but he makes good makeup. Oh, get out. No, we're not jumping up here, Duncan. Sorry. I've never had a cat more insistent on getting into things. This one is Bronze Blood. Hi, Duncan. There it is right there. Oh baby. You're my little kitty. He's so nosy. So there's the Bronze Blood. Next is going to be Yes, ma'am. Thanks for helping, sir. We'll give you some wet food later, okay? Ooh. Sort of like that Ofra one. Here, let's compare them. So there's the Jefree Star, and there's the Ofra one. Duncan, you cannot wear this lip stuff, okay? It's not for you. And this one is Strawberry Crush. I got these 3-pack of Betsy Johnson readers at TJ Maxx, didn't I? Strawberry Crush. This is sort of a strawberry-ish, but kind of melony, if that makes sense. We'll do that. We'll do that one right here. You're such a good boy, Duncan. And then this one is No Offense. Sort of lime green. I love me some lime green eyeshadow though. Here, let's do that right here. So this one's No Offense. What do you think, Duncan? And then the last one is Purple Urkel, and this looks like a metallic one. Duncan, what do you think? This is Purple Urkel. Bye, Duncan. You're my buddy. And there's that, Purple Urkel. So that is... Hi, you want to... Why are you showing your butt to my phone? Bye. So that's what I got in my mail today. I need to go watch the other Boxycharm videos. I'll probably do it tomorrow. I'm a little beat because I've been up since 2:33 or so. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, I hope you did. Subscribe, share with your friends, thumbs up. So if you're interested in getting Boxycharm, you can use my link down below. Cool. If you don't want to, that's alright too. I get a little bonus of points if you sign up for Boxycharm with my link. So either way is cool. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you very soon. Thank you again.